So in this RBC Direct Investing tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy US ETFs on RBC Direct Investing. So once the app is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom, press on the yellow circle, and then press on place order. Once you're on this page, I want you to go to the top and search up a US ETF of your choice. So for an example, if you wanted to buy VOO, which is a very popular US ETF in the States, I type in ticker symbol VOO or whatever ticker symbol you're looking for. I'll go ahead and press on search. It might take a couple seconds for the app to actually, check what you're doing. So at the top here, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Now, if you want to differentiate between a US ETF or a Canadian ETF, just go ahead and look at the flag. So VOO right here, we'll go ahead and select that. Once you're here, go ahead and select the investment account that you want to invest in. So do that right now. Once the account is selected, under action, you can go ahead and select buy. Once buy has been selected, you can go ahead and see what order type you want to do. So there's market, limit, stop, and stop limit. So go ahead and select whatever one you're looking for. Then under quantity, type in the amount of stock that you want to buy, or the amount of ETF that you want to buy, as well as the value. And at the bottom, it'll show you the total, as well as the commission. Now, keep in mind, if you're buying a US ETF, it's going to be in US currency. So just make sure you have that in your account and you are aware. And if all looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press continue, and then proceed that way with the transaction. So that is how to buy a US ETF on RBC Direct Investing. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.